Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. So this is not a full tutorial video, right? So it's just like a preview, and it's one of the first job I did for a client for this year, and it just occurred to me that I could actually have a webinar or go live to train my supporters on the channel this year. So this is a record copy plan, right? So I just made it for the client, and it's just occurred to me that I can actually have a webinar on this or go live to equip and support my followers in knowledge in the land surveying profession. All right, so record copy plan comes with principles. It's not just a plan you go ahead to produce anyhow as a surveyor, a professional. So you must make use of this is for Lagos State though. So this is Lagos State vector map, and it contains all of the government controls all over the states, right? So you can only have access to these from the Surveyor General's office or from a registered surveyor. Okay, so this is the map you'll be making use to produce a record copy plan for your client, right? So it's actually used for lodgement if you want to lodge your survey plan. So this is what is required after the basic or normal general survey plan, right? So it comes with a principle. So drop under the comment section if you want us to have a webinar on this, or you want us to go on live, whereby we are going to choose a particular weekend where everybody is going to engage, right? I've actually got a request in time past, but I don't want to create it in form of a video because there are some secrets I'll need to just drop, and I don't want it to go that much to everyone, only for the loyal followers, right? So drop under the comment section if it's webinar or it's live. Just drop. The majority is going to carry the vote, and I'm going to plan myself towards a particular weekend whereby we are just going to produce this together. So you can see these are the controls, government controls. This PO stands for point of origin, IBs, initial bearing, and all that. So in the webinar or in the live, you are going to get to know how we come about this principle backing it, the distance that you use to run your traverse must be the cadastral specification, right? But you will get that into details. So drop it under your comment section. Let's get to hear from you. Don't forget, if you want us to run your record copy that is going to be approved at the Surveyor General's office of the state, do well to just contact us via the email or other of my social media handle. We deliver on that perfectly, right? So I'm doing for this one soon, right? So I just completed for this, and of course I'll be making a record copy for this particular one soonest. So don't forget, drop your comments under the comment section so that I can plan to equip you with all that you have to know in producing an approved record copy survey plan. Thank you. See you on the next video where I'll share a full tutorial on other tips and tricks in the land surveying profession. Don't forget to turn on the notification on this channel and subscribe if you are yet to keep getting valuable tutorials and information freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.